Hello, engineers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the percentage of accurate flights out of total flights. And I'm going to use you can hear an airplane going above. That's appropriate. I'm going to use this to show. So if you did a total, let's see, you need these two numbers. You need your total flights of when you started keeping data. So I know you do some practice runs just to see how it's going. So you need total flights and you need that number, and then you need the number of flights where the airplane landed on your piece of paper. Okay, so number of accurate flights. Okay, sorry, it's messy, but you know what I mean. So that's your numbers, and then you're going to put that as a fraction. Literally, that is the fraction. You're going to take the number of accurate flights right here, number of those accurate flights divided by the total flights. It's easiest if you're going to do this in your head to just do 10 flights, because then that gives you your 10%. I mean, you're easy out of 100%. So let's see. Sorry, I'm kind of a little bit bright here today. So if I did 10 flights and I had 4 of them accurate, 4 out of 10. For percentage, you change it to hundredths, which is exactly the kind of math we're doing this week. So times 10 times 10 gets me to 41 hundredths, because percentage is based on hundreds, and that gives me 40%. So I had 40%, which is actually not bad. Not bad. Okay, so if you do it out of 10, it's pretty easy to figure out the percentage because you just do that math right there. If you do more flights, you're going to want to do at least 10, because why not? Got to get some good data, right? But let's say you did 20 flights, and let's say you had 8 of them go. So then you could still go, if you did 20, you could still make that go to 100, right? Because percentage is based on 100. And then here you do times 5. There you would do times 5, because you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 20 times 5 is 100. 8 times 5 is 40. That one is also 40%. If you get some weird numbers, then you'll just take your handy dandy calculator. Let's say you did 22 flights and you had 8 of them working. So that means 8 divided by 22, which is a little harder to get to equal exactly 100. But you can take your calculator, and it's just, fractions mean divide. So you just go to your calculator and then you punch in 8 divided by 22. You'll get a long decimal answer, which you may not be able to see because my screen's dark. It says 0.36363636. So just round it to the nearest hundred. So it's 0.363. So if I round it to the nearest hundredths place, it's right there. I look behind, there's a 3. So that one's going to stay at 6. So it's 0.36, which is the same as 36 hundredths, which means 36%. And that's how you do it. So find out your percentage. Do at least 10, but you might want to do more so you can get good data on your accuracy of your airplane. Happy flying. Bye.